Okay, this is a video to show you how to make a cube in Onshape. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go in and sign in. Hopefully you remember your password. And once you sign in, you probably don't have anything here, but we're going to put something there today. So you go to Onshape, you go to Create. You're going to go to Create a Document. So it's right underneath it. Click on it. You're going to title it Cube. And then it's going to be 1 by 1. Okay, once you are in Onshape, you are going to notice that they have these little squares. These are called planes. Okay, we have all these flat planes. There's two that go vertical, and there's one that lays flat. And to view, all you have to do is push 2 fingers down on your mouse pad or right click on your mouse, and you can move these around. Okay, but we only want to look at the top. So in order just to see the top, there's a couple things we can do. Your particular planes are right here. They have a little eyeball. If you click on the eyeball, it'll put a slash through it. It means it disappears. So I can make them disappear, or I can make them reappear. We only want to see the top, so just make it to where only the top appears. Now, it'd be really hard to draw with it this way, not a flat surface. So to make it a flat surface, you just click on the top over here. And voila, you have the top. Okay, once we have the top plane, the plane's kind of like our desk or our desk space or a table. You're going to go to Sketch. You're going to click on Sketch. Now you have to tell where you're going to sketch this. It's kind of like sketching on a piece of paper. What piece of paper are you going to sketch on? I want to sketch on the top. So I click it, and notice how it says right here, the sketch plane is the top plane. So what it does is it brings up a sketch entry, sketch 1. Sketch 1 is also located over here. This is going to be populated, or there's going to be things put in here of things that you've done. So the first thing you're going to do, now you can rename this however you want, but I just leave it sketch 1. And it brings up a whole toolbar of things to do while sketching. First thing you're going to do on this toolbar is you're going to click on the rectangle. But we're not going to make a rectangle, we're going to make a square. It doesn't matter what size right now. You just drag and drop, okay? Now, for some of you, you're going to have dimensions already there. And for some of you, you are not. Okay, I'm going to unclick it, and notice how my dimensions went away. Okay, when I had it clicked, it was there. So there's 2 ways I could do this. I'm going to show you both ways. First way is I drew a rectangle and I don't have any dimensions. How do I get dimensions? Well, we use this key right here. It's the dimension key. Looks just like this. Okay, you just click on it, tells you dimension. You click on it, and then I click on a side. And I just bring up the other dimension and I click. For right now, I'm just going to leave that because I want to show this side dimension. So I'm going to click on it. I already have it highlighted, so we're good. And I hit click. Now these are my dimensions. Now I want to change these dimensions because we're going to make this a 1 by 1 cube. So my square needs to be 1 by 1. Right now it's 1.471 or 1.2. So if it's highlighted, go ahead and you just use your keyboard and you push 1 and you put enter, and boom, it automatically changes it to 1 inch. Go up here, click it twice, 1, and enter. Now I got a 1 by 1 square. Okay, once you have this, you're done with the sketching. So we can click this little green button and we're done. But right now, I just have a 2-dimensional square. My label is a cube. That's what we're trying to learn how to do here. So I'm going to make this into a cube. How do I do that? I go over to this button right here, right next to the sketch, called extrude. So we're going to extrude it. And what you have to do, just like before, is like, well, what do you want to extrude? Extrude means put some thickness into it. make it 3D. Okay, I want to choose this. So it's the faces and sketch regions to extrude. I choose the square, the face of sketch 1. Now, it should already be set up. Look, the depth is already at 1 inch. I could change this depth to whatever I want, but 1 inch is okay. So it should be set up, ready to go. Okay, you can double check by using your arrows up here. You can use 2 fingers. It's a little harder with your mouse pad. Right click on the mouse and you can move this around. Didn't work. There we go. Or best bet, go over to this little cube over here and hit isometric. And now we have a cube. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this and turn it in to let me know that you were able to get it completed. If you need to rewatch the video, go ahead and rewatch the video. Good luck making your cube.